It's Kingdomfloor, a leading global high-tech manufacturer of premium resilient flooring and wall panels, with complete end-to-end control over R&D, manufacturing and distribution, all under one roof. Our story began in 1992, when our founder Mr. Dai first entered the PVC flooring sector. With over 20 years of hands-on industry expertise, he has steered Kingdomfloor's remarkable growth and global expansion every step of the way. Today, we operate 5 state-of-the-art manufacturing bases across Asia, anchored by our core hubs in China and Thailand, boasting an annual output of over 45 million square meters. Back in 2014, we opened our first overseas warehouse in Bonn, Germany, and have held a top-tier European export ranking, earned China National High-Tech Enterprise certification, and today hold 114 active patents worldwide. We've built industry-leading intelligent production lines and fully automated smart warehousing. We back our sustainability promises with measurable results. Rooftop solar arrays power our facilities with clean energy, slashing annual carbon emissions by 20,768 tons, and we optimize our global logistics network to cut transportation emissions across our full value chain. We never stop innovating. In 2018, we led the industry's digital shift as the first to mass-produce digitally printed products. In 2023, we launched our low-carbon, fully recyclable rPET line crafted from post-consumer plastic bottles. In 2025, we opened our Shanghai Materials Research Institute to advance breakthrough material R&D. Our innovative solutions and expert service have earned global customer trust, solidifying our position as the go-to trusted partner for clients worldwide. Kingdomfloor believes that culture is the core driving force of a company. We connect customers, products, partners, and ourselves through love. Loving customers, valuing products, cherishing partners, and respecting oneself. Kingdomfloor firmly believes that with love as the bond, we will ultimately fulfill the vision of beautify the world with style.